Roger, Echo. I'll clear you off the photon blast. Buy me some time, rookies.
Figured out our approach. Has to be thin legs for such a giant body. So let's try focusing our attacks on one of the legs.
Completed!
Not bad for a couple of rookies. I'm good to go when you are. Let's keep moving.
Holy shit! Was that a photon blast? Look what it did in just a split second.
All thanks to you two standing firm. Appreciate the help.
Surrounding. Welcome back, everyone.
I'm going to be demonstrating how to install the graphics that was mentioned in the first video on the channel. So here's PSO2. This is where it's actually going to be, but I didn't want to replace anything just in case. So I made a copy of it and put it here. Do not do that. What you want to do is you want to go here and everything that I'm doing to this test file, everything I'm doing to this test file right here, do it here instead on this specific application. Not download, not launcher, not pre-download, no. Just normal PSO2.exe. Okay, so for the first thing, I have everything you need in the folder. I will link everything on the description of the video. But I suggest doing this. It's way less complicated and more easier. But for the first thing you want to do is you open up your reshade. The link will be in the description, remember that. You'll open up your reshade, and then instead of searching searching for it or whatever, instead you want to just browse and go to pso2.exe. This says test file, but just pretend it's .exe. Normal PSO2. So go ahead and install that. Alright, so when you do this, this will pop up, which rendering API. So this actually uses Direct 3D 10, 11, and 12. Not 9, not OpenGL, none of that. Oh, actually, click next. My bad. Okay, so yeah, it's Direct 3D. Open that. Now, here's where it gets the shaders part. This is where it gets fun. So, uncheck all, check all and remove legacy standard effects. You do not need this. So make sure everything is checked. It's automatically going to check everything, but just in case. You keep pressing OK. Yep. Okay, once you press OK an infinite number of times, you should see this. This should pop up, edit, reshade, and direct 3D10. Nothing else should be clickable besides this button. Do not click this though. You don't need to. Alright, so now that that's installed, you should see these files right here. In normal PSO2, there's going to be more because it's the actual game, but it doesn't really matter. So, first things first. You want to open this file, curated reshade filters. Go to reshade shaders, and then highlight everything from here all the way up to here, and then replace. And you should have it in. Alright, so for the last thing, so the shaders I use actually require MXAO, which I'm pretty sure is maximum ambient occlusion. I'm not sure. I know it's ambient occlusion though, but Reshade automatically disables it for multiplayer games, so this will completely remove that. The reason why it's disabled for multiplayer games is because it has the ability to like highlight models on your screen, which I assume can be a way to cheat and see people through surfaces or like through light and all that, when it's usually impossible. But just ignore that. But so you see Reshade 64DL. I'm not sure if the type you use depends on your system. I'm pretty sure it depends on the game. And the game is 64-bit, at least mine is. But you want to drag it down here. So you see dxgi.dll. You want to delete that completely. Don't worry about making it back up. I mean, you can, but if you did all the steps right, it wouldn't really matter. So do dxgi. And after you do that, everything will be installed except the actual graphics. So you have the tools to put in the graphics, but now you need the graphics. So you want to go to this link right here. It's going to be in the description anyway, but it's named default preset.ini. The reason why I named it that and not something else, because it's easier to replace your default preset when you install Reshade, so it just saves much more time instead of renaming it and all that crap. But yeah, after you do that, what? Alright. Okay. So you want to repair it. Okay, now you have default preset. It only says 1 for me because I already have it in. But yes, so in PSO2 bin, make sure it's this right here. You want to simply press save. And if it says replace, replace it. And now all you have to do is just open your game and they will automatically be in effect. You don't have to do the tutorial or anything. And if you do want to edit my own graphics, you have to press home to open the menu. The home button. It should be on the right side of your keyboard, next to delete and all that. So yeah, you can go down here, customize anything you want, blah blah blah. Yeah. And for the preset, you can see right here it says default. If I were to turn this off, I don't think I'm actually able to. Oh, those aren't reshade.ini files. Okay. Well, see if I'm able to turn these all off and then do like a, oh yeah, there's a before and after. I don't know why it's doing that, but okay. well, yeah, let me, so this is, I don't know why it's like that. Alright, so this before and after thing does not work, as you can tell. Maybe it's, still looks the exact same. Okay, well, okay. Well, I can't really show you a before and after right now, unless I can figure out how to disable the graphics and command. Could try. At this point, you can close the video. You don't really need to see anything else. I'm just trying to see if I can show you a before and after. Because it works. When I did it with League of Legends, it worked perfectly, but it's not working here, which is strange. Okay, we'll try before and after with Death. Nope, still the exact same. Okay, well, I don't know why it doesn't work here. Maybe I need to, who knows, maybe I need to, oh, I forgot what it was. Okay. No, I see it now, I see it now. Okay, so, basically, to do before, this is just like a reference in the future if you plan on doing this. Set before all the way to the end. And then set after. Where is it? Set after all the way at the end. Over everything. Alright, now, if you did this, now you can actually see the before and after. So, this is on the character. Right side is after, and left side is before, I believe. Checking on. Pretty sure right is after. Yeah, right is definitely after. So you can check out the light on my boots to tell.